Welcome to the WION podcast. In this episode, we explore what happens when rules are broken aboard the USS Abraham Lincoln, revealing a harsh world of military justice where crimes at sea are punished swiftly, strictly, and without escape. Once aboard, every action falls under a tightly controlled legal system designed to enforce discipline in one of the most isolated environments on Earth. But the USS Abraham Lincoln doesn't operate under state or civilian law. The moment a sailor crosses the brow of the ship, they are subject entirely to the Uniform Code of Military Justice, a strict federal legal framework where insubordination is an actual, jailable offense. You can't call 911 in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. The carrier relies on its own internal, heavily armed police force, known as the Master-at-Arms, or MA rating. Recognizable by their tactical vests, sidearms, and badges, the MAs act as the ship's SWAT team, patrol officers, and K-9 drug-sniffing handlers. They conduct random contraband sweeps, break up berthing brawls, and secure active crime scenes at sea. Deep in the lower decks of the carrier lies the brig, the ship's internal prison. It is a sterile, heavily secured compartment, featuring steel cells with bare racks and stainless steel toilets. Inmates in the brig are stripped of their standard uniforms and rank, forced to wear prison coveralls, and subjected to a grueling routine of strict silence, physical training, and absolute compliance under the watchful eyes of MA guards. For moderate offenses, there is no jury of peers. The process is handled via non-judicial punishment, famously known in the Navy as captain's mast. The accused sailor stands at attention before the carrier's commanding officer, who acts as the sole judge. The captain hears the evidence and immediately issues a legally binding verdict, delivering swift, unappealable justice without the need for a prolonged federal trial. What exactly gets a sailor thrown in the brig? While Hollywood focuses on mutiny, the reality of shipboard crime is often rooted in proximity and stress. The most common offenses include theft from fellow sailors, physical assaults, dereliction of duty, unauthorized access to classified areas, and fraternization, illegal romantic or sexual relationships within the chain of command. A guilty verdict at captain's mast is financially and professionally devastating. The captain has the authority to issue reduction in rate, literally stripping a sailor of their hard-earned rank. Additionally, the captain can seize half of the sailor's pay for 2 months, restrict them to the ship, and assign 45 days of grueling extra duty, usually deep cleaning the ship's bilges and sculleries. Captain's mast is for moderate offenses. True felonies are a different story. If a sailor commits a major crime, such as aggravated assault, drug smuggling, or espionage, the Naval Criminal Investigative Service agents assigned to the strike group take over. The suspect is locked in the brig until the carrier reaches port, where they are escorted off the ship in handcuffs, flown to a federal military court-martial, and permanently discharged in disgrace. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.